Hi everybody, this is Jesse Ginto. I am one of the aspirants for this year's Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide representing Bulacan.
Right. Hi, Jesse. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling excited to meet all the other aspirants for this year's pageant. So I met a few of them already. So we've had a little talks, and everybody else is very excited for this competition.
Alright. So, alam naman namin that this is not your first
Hindi
time.
namin
Yes,
alam,
kuya.
Brian.
Mr. Pilipinas.
Oh my God, babe, you're here.
Well, Mr. Filipinas Worldwide is a
You're here.
really great platform, and I've seen the roster of kings from the previous pageant. They've prospered in their respective careers, and I really do want to follow their footsteps somehow. And yeah, so this would also open, of course, opportunities for me in the future. So hopefully, I'm gonna be working with some prominent pageant queens and kings in the industry.
Alright. Now, how did you prepare for today's event?
Ah, sa totoo lang Kuya Brian, no much preparation. walang
busy-busy
walang
ka.
preparation na nga po Kuya Brian. Pero yeah, siguro kanina nagpunta lang ako sa gym, humabol. humabol nagpapawis. So as for the preparation, wala pa eh. So siguro I've been planning kung ano pa yung mga kailangan kong isuot kasi styling, I guess, is one of the important key elements in joining a pageant. So, yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen in the future.
So, what do you think is your edge among your competitors or other candidates?
You know what, Kuya Brian? I am so surprised that today I've seen so many sobrang ano bang tawag dito? Magagaling and super malakas ang laban. Malakas ang laban ng mga nakasabay ko this today. So, siguro yung edge ko na lang is I've experienced national and international pageant. Siguro dadalihin ko yun as my baon for for this year's Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide pageant. And I hope you guys will continue to support me with this journey.
Okay. Three interesting facts about you.
Three interesting facts. Well, I'm an actor. I'm an events host, and I am a very, I guess, friendly and open to everybody person.
What is your comfort food and why?
Comfort food ko talaga is noodles. Anything na noodle na may sabaw. Yan talaga ang comfort food ko, Kuya Brian.
Last question. Saan ka namin makikita on your spare time kung may spare time ka?
Sa bahay, hindi nyo makikita kasi nasa bahay lang ako. Pero gym, yan. Gym na talaga ang spare time ko ngayon.
Alright, thank you so much. Jesse.
Thank you so much, Kuya Brian. Thank you.